Hi students, today's discussion related to profit and loss. Students, in my previous videos, you have learned some important terms related to profit and loss, and you have also learned some important formulas for solving profit and loss problems. Students, profit and loss is an important topic in school mathematics. We often make mistake for using profit and loss formulas. Hence, let us learn how to solve profit and loss problems using formulas. Students, let's solve the problem. A reduction of 40% in the price of mango would enable a buyer to get 2 kg more for ₹90. Find the original or initial price of mango per kg. Students, given that when the price of mango is reduced 40%, the buyer gets 2 kg more for ₹90. Hence, 40% of ₹90 equal to 40 by 100 into ₹90, that is ₹36. Hence, the reduced price of 2 kilo mango equal to ₹36. Students, given that when the price reduced by 40%, the buyer gets 2 kilo more. So the amount of price reduced is 36, for which the buyer gets 2 kilo more mango. This implies that price of 1 kilo mango at reduced rate equal to ₹36 by 2, that is ₹18. Hence, the buyer gets ₹90 by ₹18 equal to 5 kilo mango at reduced price. Students, here see price of 1 kilo mango at a reduced price is 18. So for ₹90 the buyer gets 5 kilo mango. So initially he gets 5 kilo minus 2 kilo. Initially he gets 2 kilo less, that is he gets 3 kilo mango. So he purchased 3 kilo mango for ₹90. Hence, the original price of 3 kilo mango equal to ₹90. This implies that initial price or original price of mango per kilo equal to ₹90 by 3 equal to ₹30. Students, initially he gets 3 kilo mango for ₹90. Therefore The original price of mango per kilo equal to rupees 30 per kilo. Students, let us solve the problem in alternative method. Let the initial price of mango per kilo equal to rupees X when price reduced 40%. This implies that reduced price of mango per kilo equal to X minus 40% of X, that is X minus 40 by 100 into X, that is 2 by 5. This equals to, here LCM is 5x minus 2x by 5 equal to 3x by 5. Students, here we get the initial price of mango per kilo is rupees X and reduced price of mango per kilo is 3x by 5. According to the question, -90 by x equal to 2 kilo. This implies that 90 into 5 by 3x minus 90 by x equal to 2. This implies that here 30. So we get LCM is x, here 150 minus 90 equal to 2. This implies that 60 by x equal to 2. This implies that x equal to 60 by 2 equal to 30. Therefore, the initial price or original price of mango per kilo equal to rupees 30. Students, let us consider the second problem. A dealer sells two TVs at rupees 10,000 and rupees 8,000 respectively. He gains 25% profit on the first TV while he suffers a loss of 20% on the second TV. Find the profit or loss percent in the whole transaction. Students, here given that selling price of the first TV equal to rupees 10,000 and profit equal to 25%. Students, now we have to calculate the cost price of the first TV. Therefore, 125% of CP equal to rupees 10,000. Therefore, 1% of CP equal to rupees 10,000 by 125. Therefore, 100% of CP equal to rupees 10,000 by 125 into 100, 8,000. Hence, cost price of the first TV is rupees 8,000. Here given that selling price of the second TV equal to rupees 8,000 and loss equal to 20%. Therefore, 80% of CP equal to rupees 8,000. Students, we know whenever there is a loss of 20%, it means 80% of cost price equal to rupees 8,000. This implies that 1% of CP equal to rupees 8,000 by 80. This implies that 100% of CP equal to rupees 8,000 into 100 by 80 equal to rupees 10,000. So cost price of the second TV is rupees 10,000 and cost price of the first TV is rupees 8,000. Therefore, cost price of two TVs equals to rupees 8,000 plus rupees 10,000, that is rupees 18,000. Here given that selling price of the first TV is rupees 10,000 and selling price of the second TV is rupees 8,000. Therefore, selling price of two TVs equal to rupees 10,000 plus rupees 8,000 equals to rupees 18,000. Therefore, SP of two TVs equal to 18,000 and cost price of two TVs equal to 18,000. Therefore, SP equal to CP. Hence, there is no profit, no loss. Students, let us consider the third problem. A manufacturer sells an article to the wholesaler at a profit of 10%. The wholesaler sells it to the retailer at a profit of 10%. The retailer sells it to the customer for rupees 665.50, thereby earning a profit of 10%. Find the cost price of the article for the manufacturer. Students, let us consider the cost price of the article for the manufacturer equal to rupees 100 and also giving that the profit is 10% and profit equal to 10%. Therefore, selling price of the article equal to rupees 110 equal to cost price of the wholesaler. Students, let us consider the cost price of the article for the manufacturer be rupees 100. Since the manufacturer earns a profit 10%, therefore selling price of the article for the manufacturer is rupees 110, which is the cost price of the wholesaler. Hence, CP of the article to the wholesaler equal to rupees 110 and profit equal to 10%. Since he sold it to the retailer at a profit of 10%, therefore SP of it to the wholesaler equal to rupees 110 plus 10% of rupees 110, that is rupees 110 plus 11 equal to rupees 121, which is the cost price of the article to the retailer. Therefore, cost price of the retailer equal to rupees 121 and profit equal to 10%. Therefore, SP of the article to the retailer equal to rupees 121 plus 10% of rupees 121 equals to rupees 121 plus 10 by 100 into rupees 121 equal to rupees 121 plus rupees 12.10, that is rupees 133.10. Students, so we get the selling price of the article to the retailer is rupees 133.10. Therefore, we can write when SP is rupees 133.10, CP equal to rupees 100. We have taken the cost price of the article for the manufacturer is rupees 100. Therefore, when SP is rupees 1, then CP equal to rupees 100 by 133.10. Therefore, when SP is rupees 665.50, CP equal to rupees 100 by 133.10 into 665.50. So it is rupees 500. Therefore, the cost price for the manufacturer is rupees 500. Students, in this video, 4 important problems on profit and loss are solved here. In my next video, you will get some harder problems on profit and loss. Students, if you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.